salami. Woo, son. Nothing like some slugs going down range to start your day out right. Man, that was some that was some dang destruction. I smell soda in the air combined with watermelon.
For that. I like this gun.
Look out now. Chẳng lạiครับ
Oh. Oh. Just one. Nice. Taking them off. High. There you go. Good. Solid hit. Set the grass. Over here.
Same thing. Doesn't have enough inertia. Kick that next one in there.
I still love that old ka-chunking, long recoiling.
With your smile, now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you with this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound.
For an active valve gun, most of them are soft shooting, but not this one.
Safe and sound. Safe and sound.
Man. What a cool shotgun. Now, that's not bad. That's on low brass. Let's do that again. Those poor sodas didn't stand a chance. Not bad there. All right, enough playing around. We're gonna pattern some buckshot, guys. Not bad. Oh, shooting way high.
Boom, boom, boom. Just like last time, guys. Absolutely perfect. Just like we wanted it to. Now, went ahead and brought out 2 more shells. I'm gonna let you guys be lucky. These shells are actually kind of expensive. Waterfowl hunting is expensive. It's incredible. But I shot 6 shells of the regular bird shot, so I'm gonna let you guys have 5 rounds of the 3-inch out of my pocket. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like this video, so that way I can afford to buy more shells and keep doing videos for you guys. So 3-inch Magnum steel. Let's shoot 2 more and see if it works. Kapow, kapow, kapow. Absolutely awesome.